Hey, g'day. How you doing? It's Chriso from down under, Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia. This is the bathroom that I'm doing at the moment, and it has a strip drain in it the way I do it, and I feel it is the correct way of doing it. I've levelled across here. I've got fall from there down to the drain, which is that. Can you see that? I hope so. And that is level. Now it needs to slope down to that drain each side. That will slope up, but I'll do that when I'm laying. I can just mix up some mud and I tap them into place at the same time. Once I'm standing on a tiled floor, it's easy to do there. It will be mited across there and tilting. So this actually goes down to that level. That's dead level. That's strip drain. So now that falls and my tile is split from here to nothing, and it's tilting up. Rewind my video when you actually go to do your own. If you forget. Now if I had a very small level, that is falling from there to there, and that is basically fairly flat, but it's still, it catches this and runs down to that grate. The same the other side. I have, which I've just got to check in a minute, equal distance, which is about there. Equal distance. I'm falling it down to there. And then all I do now is I drag this back dead flat, which I'll get it started and I'll come back to you. See you soon. Bye.